In this video, I will share with you step by step how to buy shares in Nigeria the right way. Whether you live in Nigeria or anywhere in the world, this video will show you everything you need before buying your very first share. By the end of this series, you will understand how to buy shares by yourself without anybody helping you. A step-by-step guide for every beginner. Do you know you can become a shareholder in companies like MTN, Dangote Cement, Bua Cement, Bua Foods, Zenith Bank, GT Bank, even when you are not rich, even if you don't have so much money? The problem is many Nigerians don't know where to start when they want to buy shares. Some people buy shares through the wrong people. Some register with fake investment platforms, and others lose money because they don't understand the process. Let's begin. Before you invest in the Nigerian stock market, first of all, you must understand what you are doing. The stock market is where people buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy shares in a company, you are buying small ownership in that company. So if you buy shares in a bank, cement company, telecom company, food company, or insurance company, you are not just buying paper, you are buying a small part of that business. If the company does well, the value of your shares may go up. But if the company performs badly, the value of your shares may go down. How much do you need to start? One of the biggest questions people ask me all the time is, Coach Doorstep, how much do I need to start buying shares or to start investing in the Nigerian stock market? The answer is, it depends on the price of the shares you want to buy. Some people think they need millions to start investing. That is not true. Some Nigerian shares cost less than others. Some cost more. So don't think you need millions before you can start investing. What matters is buying what you can afford after you have done your research. So don't ever think investing in the Nigerian stock market is for rich people. In fact, you can start with as little as 100 naira, depending on the price of the shares you want to buy. So what are the requirements before you buy shares or you invest in the Nigerian stock market? The first requirement is not money. The first requirement is knowledge. Don't invest because your friend said the stock market makes money. Don't invest because your friend told you that the particular shares will rise. Don't invest because somebody on your WhatsApp told you that you should buy now before it is too late. Before you invest, you need to understand these simple definitions. What is a share? What is dividend? What is capital gain? What is risk? What is a broker? What is CSCS? What is direct cash settlement? What company are you buying? How does the company make money? If you don't understand what you are buying, please calm down first. That is why you need to watch this video to the end. Requirement number 2, you need a brokerage account. But before I explain a brokerage account, let me explain a broker. A broker is a licensed person or company that helps you buy and sell shares in the stock market. You cannot just wake up and go directly to the Nigerian stock market to buy shares by yourself. I want you to think of it like this. Your bank is for keeping money. Your brokerage account is for buying and selling shares. The Nigerian Exchange Group, which is the mother company that manages the stock market in Nigeria, has made it mandatory that anybody that must invest in the stock market in Nigeria must pass through a stockbroker before you can buy from a primary or secondary market. So at number 3, you need a brokerage account. There are many stockbrokers in Nigeria. The one I use is Afri Investor 2.0. This is the symbol of the app on the screen. You can download the app from Play Store. The mother company of that app is Afriverse Securities Limited. There are other brokers like Meristem and Bamboo. Requirement number 4, verify your broker on SEC website. Calm down. Let me explain. This one is very important. Take it seriously. You must ensure the broker is SEC approved. In Nigeria, any investment you want to make and you cannot find the name of the investment platform under the SEC website, please don't put your money there. The word SEC means Security Exchange Commission of Nigeria. But when you are checking for the broker on the SEC website, please don't search for the name of the app. Search for the name of the company behind the app. So follow me. Let's do a search on the SEC website to know if the broker I mentioned is registered under the Security Exchange Commission.
So the first thing to do, look for the mother company of the app you want to use. Let's take, for example, you want to use the Afri Investor 2.0 app, Afriverse app. You can see the name of the app written here under Google Play. So the mother company is AfriVest Securities Limited. So let's copy out the name of the mother company and go and do a quick search if they are registered with the Security Exchange Commission. So let's do a copy out and go to the official website of the Security and Exchange Commission, Securities and Exchange Commission. So this is it. Then you click on Find Operator. You scroll down and you search for a capital market. You paste the Afri Investors Securities Limited and then you search. You scroll down again to see your search. You can see that Afri Invest Securities Limited is actually a stockbroker on this page. You can see their CAC number and then you can see the name. This is their address. This is their main phone number under the Security Exchange Commission. We can also do the search for the Bamboo app. This is the Bamboo app. You can type Bamboo app name of stock broker. For Nigerian stocks, Bamboo operates under a sub-broker, Lambert Capital Limited. So you can just copy out the Lambert. You copy it out and then you now go back to your Google page and go to the website of the Security and Exchange Commission of Nigeria. Click on Find Operator. Then you scroll down. Search for a capital market. Lambert Capital. That thing you copied from there. Lambert Capital. You paste it here. You scroll down to see if your search was successful. You can see it. Lambert Capital is a stockbroker. This is their address and everything about them.
Requirement number 5. Now, after you have chosen a broker of your choice, let's see what your broker will need to open a brokerage account for you. Before your broker opens a brokerage account for you, you may need to provide some documents. Different brokers may ask for slightly different things, but these are the common requirements I'm about to mention. Requirement number 6. You need a Nigerian bank account. I would advise you to go with Fugaz if possible. Fugaz is spelled F-U-G-A-Z. First Bank, UBA, GT Bank, Access Bank, and Zenith Bank. Why Fugaz? Why a bank account? Because after selling your shares, your money needs to drop somewhere you can access so that you can use it to buy shares again. From experience, the bank account number you should give to your stockbroker should be able to carry millions of naira in deposit, not just 50,000 naira, 200,000 naira. And listen, you must be 18 years of age before you can open one, except if it's a kiddies account. Requirement number 7, proof of address. It can be your utility bill, it can be your NIN, it can even be your bank statement. All they need is a document that has the address you have given them to show that yes, this address you are providing is actually your address. Question: must the utility bill or NEPA bill be in my name? The answer is no. But the address on the utility bill must correspond with the one you have given to your stockbroker. So if your stockbroker is asking for a proof of address, don't panic. They are not asking because they want to stress you. It is part of the KYC. KYC means know your customer. Requirement number 8, for people living in the diaspora or people living outside Nigeria, notary public. Now pay attention. If you stay outside Nigeria and you want to use your foreign proof of address, let's say your utility bills abroad, it may need to be notarized. For example, if you live in Canada, UK, USA, Germany, the UAE, or any country outside Nigeria, your broker may ask you to notarize your proof of address or ID. In simple English, a notary public helps confirm that your documents are genuine and that you are the real person submitting it. So before you submit your document from abroad, please ask your broker which particular document needs to be notarized so that you don't spend money unnecessarily. Requirement number 9, you need a passport photograph. This is for a better proof and proper account opening. Some brokers may ask you to upload it online. Some may ask for a soft copy. Just make sure the picture is clear. Requirement number 10, you will also need a signature. You can sign on paper, snap it and upload. Sometimes they allow you to sign on a device when you are doing it online, but either ways, make sure you sign the right signature. Requirement number 11, your ID card. You also need an ID card because it serves as a proof of identity. Examples of ID card might include international passports, driver's license, your NIN, voter's card. The broker wants to know that you are a real person. They also want to make sure that the name you are using matches your documents. Requirement number 12, your BVN. You need BVN. BVN means bank verification number. The name on your BVN should match with the name on your bank account to avoid going back and forth or to avoid any complications. If your BVN says John David, your bank account name should not be David John. Make your names consistent. If you have forgotten your BVN, dial this short code *565*0#. And please don't give your stockbroker a different phone number. Use the phone number originally registered with your bank account number. A service fee of 20 naira will be deducted from your airtime, and your 11-digit BVN number will appear on your phone screen. Requirement number 13, you need a CSCS account. CSCS means Central Securities Clearing System. CSCS is where your shares are recorded. Think of it like this. Your bank keeps record of your money. CSCS keeps record of your shares. It is the duty of the brokerage house you are using to help you open your CSCS account. This one is usually given to you by your stockbroker. It may come within 24 or 48 hours. In my own case, I got my CSCS number before the close of work that day. So when you log in, you may start seeing your CSCS number there. But if for any reason you did not see it, feel free to reach out to your broker. Now listen, this is one of the reasons the system is safer. If the broker you opened your account with shuts down because of mismanagement, or they cannot continue again, your shares are recorded under CSCS. What you may need to do is to move your shares from that stockbroker that has collapsed or that has become ineffective to a new brokerage house. Once the transfer is properly done, you will still see your shares. So don't just look at the stockbroker. Understand how the system works. Your broker helps you to trade or to sell and buy shares, but CSCS records your ownership. Requirement number 14, DCS, Direct Cash Settlement. This is a direct cash settlement form. The way the system is designed, when you sell your shares, the money may remain in your trading wallet for you to buy more shares. But when you fill the DCS form or the direct cash settlement form, you are telling them that when you sell shares, you don't want the money to remain only in your wallet. You want the proceeds or the money to go directly into your normal bank account. So they provide a space for you to enter the bank and the account number you want the money to be paid into. For example, any of the Fugas bank or any accepted bank, and ensure that your bank details are correct. Don't play with it. Requirement number 15, money to deposit. Now you have your account set up, you have your broker, and you have submitted your documents. You have your CSCS number. The next step is for you to fund your account. This is where many beginners make mistakes. Don't start with all your savings. Don't invest your rent. Don't invest your children's school fees. Don't invest emergency money. Don't borrow money to buy shares or to invest in shares. Start with money you can afford to live for a long time. The stock market rewards patience. If you are always in a hurry, you may panic and sell at the wrong time. Remember, there is no prize for starting with a huge amount. The most important thing is to start correctly. You can always invest more as your knowledge and confidence grows with time. Requirement number 16. Special warning for those investing from abroad or for diaspora investors. If you are outside Nigeria, please listen carefully. Don't send money to your brother, uncle, cousin, or friend and say, help me buy shares. Open your own brokerage account. Let the shares carry your own name. Let the CSCS account carry your own name. Let the bank account carry your own name. Let the email and phone number belong to you. Many people abroad have lost money because they trusted family members without proper documentation. The person may buy the shares in his own name, but years later, there may be confusion. And when confusion enters money matters, relationships can spoil. So my advice is simple. Never invest serious money through another person's name. Even if you trust them, do it properly. Distance should not make you careless. Requirement number 17. What to do before you buy any share. After funding your account, don't rush to buy. First of all, you need to ask, what does this company do? How does the company make money? Will I be comfortable owning the shares of this company for a long time? Has this company been paying dividend? Is the company growing? Is the company owing too much money? Do I understand the business they do? Am I buying because I understand it or because someone told me? If you cannot explain how the company makes money, please don't rush to buy. Requirement number 18, my final advice. Investing in the Nigerian stock market is not only for rich people. It is for people who are willing to learn, to start small and think long term. But don't enter blindly. Get knowledge. Use a licensed broker. Verify the broker on SEC website. Provide the necessary documents. Open your CSCS account. Understand direct cash settlement. Fund your account wisely. Buy carefully. And most importantly, never invest the money you cannot afford to lose. Before asking how much you can make, please ask how much you can lose. That is how beginners protect themselves. Congratulations if you have watched these lessons to the end. You now know how to prepare yourself to start investing in the Nigerian stock market. So far, we prepared the foundation. In the next lesson, I will show you on the screen a practical step on how to open a brokerage account step by step. Fund it, search for a company, and buy your very first share. We will open the app together, fund the account, search for a company, and place our first buy order. No theory, just practical. So don't miss that video for anything. If you like what you just heard, we teach simple lessons on business, money, and investing. Please like this video, follow us for more like this, share this video with friends and loved ones. And until next time, your friend again, Coach Dubstep. See you on the next one. God bless you.